Hi, I'm Ariel with Atelier Salon. Desperate times call for desperate measures, and we're here to provide you with our do-it-yourself at-home kit. Your at-home kit is going to include some pre-guard. It's going to include 2 syringes. One syringe is going to have your color, the other is going to have your developer. It also comes with a brush and it comes with a set of gloves. These kits are available on our website and we'll be providing curbside pickup. So I'm going to be doing all of this today for you on my model. I'll be showing you how to mix everything today. I'll discuss the developing and processing time as well. This is a very easy at-home to do gray coverage kit. So don't stress, no worries, it's very hassle-free and it's also fun. You can have your husband help do this as well. That'd be kind of fun, but very easy to do, and I'm about to demonstrate everything for you guys right now. So you'll get the 2 syringes and you're going to go ahead and screw off the top. You'll mix the color, you'll mix the developer together, and any bowl that you have at home will work. So the color's already mixed in here. Make sure that when you're mixing the color that you mix it thoroughly. The texture needs to be really nice and creamy, so everything saturates nice and evenly. Processing time with your hair color is going to be 45 minutes. This is permanent hair color, so it will cover all of your grays, just like this. Okay, so part of what we have in our DIY color kit is going to be the pre-guard that I explained earlier. This is going to help prevent any type of staining around the hairline with the darker colors because it is a permanent gray coverage color. It's going to give you some stains. So make sure you apply this around the hairline nice and thoroughly. There's plenty of it in here. Just make sure you don't get it on the hair itself because that may prevent some of that color from covering some of that gray. So we're going to start off explaining how to actually apply the color into your sections. You're going to go into 4 different sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. You'll be going from ear to ear and straight down the middle into 4 quadrants. And you'll be applying from there. So as you're applying the color, make sure you're getting the color at just the tip of the brush. So with each section that you're working on in each quadrant, make sure that you're getting just a small amount of hair, dropping it over to the other side and completely covering each side and touching up those grays. Make sure that you're not overlapping on any existing highlights that you have because that will darken up the highlights that you have in your hair as well. Okay guys, color is complete. You see how easy that was? So let this process a full 45 minutes. If you have resistant gray, try to give it an additional 5 more minutes just to make sure everything covers completely. Now whenever you shampoo the hair, make sure that you're shampooing everything twice. This way you can get everything, all that color buildup out of there. And also condition the hair well, and then just comb afterwards and blow dry, and you're ready to go. Any additional products that you guys need, just let us know and we'll take it to you curbside.